Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some dupes, alternatives to some very useful products that you would use on a daily basis, and products that you would probably want to save a little bit of money on as well, and some products that are a little bit more effective as well. So those are the products that are going to be included in today's video. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is this Bath & Body Works Sunshine Mimosa Moisturizing Body Wash. Now I'm not talking about the same scent. The alternative that I have is a completely different variant in terms of fragrance, but I'm going to be talking about the body wash in general. So this one is a light sort of like a it doesn't have very runny consistency, but it's not a very thin body wash as well. So it is like a shower cream and it is quite hydrating on the skin, but I don't really like the scent of this. It kind of smells too sweet for my liking, and eventually it starts to smell a little bit different, so I don't really like it. But it doesn't strip your skin of the moisture. It lathers really well, but like you'd need a little bit more water to wash this off. If you wanted an alternative to this, which on discount you can find this for around 750-ish rupees. So if you wanted a alternative to that, you can try out the Plum Body Lovin' shower cream. This is a little bit thicker than this body wash itself. Yeah, I just dropped my shower cream before I came in, and now this is the situation of the cap. I'm not able to open it up because it's broken, but I did show a demo of this in my previous video. I'll link it right here. I'm not able to open it at all. So this one is sort of like a thicker shower cream, and it smells really nice. It doesn't strip your skin off. It doesn't feel very dry, and it's really affordable as well. And I really like the scent of this, the Vanilla Vibes variant. I also like the Hawaiian Rumba variant. Because I like this one so much, I actually got the Hawaiian Rumba variant as well. And this one retails for 380 rupees, and you can find this one on discount most of the time. So in this you get 200 grams of product, that is 7.5, that is 7 fluid ounces. And in this you get 10 fluid ounce, 296 ml of product. So a little bit more, of course, but comes with a steeper price point. So if you wanted to try out the Bath & Body Works shower creams, the moisturizing body washes, you can try out the Plum shower cream instead. They're really good. And then another product which is quite expensive and smells divine. Okay, this one is the Forest Essentials After Bath Oil. So this one is in the Mashobra Honey and Vanilla variant. So this is how it looks like, and I have used this a couple of times. It is really nice and nourishing on the skin. It is really good. So if you want to stick to this, of course you can, okay, but it is of course a little bit more pricier. So this is for 1,295 rupees. It smells so good, like it's a long lasting scent, and I love it. It's very like herbal, nice. It smells like you're in a spa. It's a really nice body oil. But if you wanted a body oil that is just like this in terms of consistency, where it's not too heavy, it's lightweight, it smells good, of course not the same scent. It is a vanilla body oil, but it doesn't smell like that one. This one is the Plum Vanilla Vibes body oil. So I have the shower cream, I have the body oil, I also got the body butter because I'm obsessed with the scent of this. I love it, and I think you guys would love it too. So this is how much I have used this one, and I use this for my entire body. So even though now it is summer, it doesn't feel heavy on the body. It's just extremely nice and lightweight, and just that the packaging is a little bit flimsy, but it just feels really nice, and it like literally melts into your skin, and you just end up smelling really nice for a decent amount of time. But I feel like the Forest Essentials one is a little bit more long lasting. So you can choose again. If you don't want to choose this side of it, you don't want to choose the alternatives, you can stick to the former ones, or you can choose the latter. It depends on you. It depends on your choice, your preference, but I'm trying to help people save a little bit of money, and people who wanted to try out similar products, you could probably save a little bit more money and try out something else. That's the point of this video. And then we have something else. Okay, so this is the L'Occitane deodorant. So this is said to be an aluminum free deodorant, and this is priced at 1,950 rupees, which is really expensive for a deodorant, and something that you would use on a daily basis and you might run out of quite fast. So this you get 1.7 fluid ounces, that is 50 ml of product, and this smells really nice. It smells a little bit citric and also a little bit like industrial, like a little like artificial citric scent, and it has a decent lasting power. It doesn't keep me smelling fresh throughout the day, especially right now. If I were to wear like sleeveless outfit or anything, I do start to smell a little bit different in around like the 4 hour or 5 hour mark, which I'm not very keen on. Like if I had like a full sleeve outfit like this, then it's fine. But if I were to wear a sleeveless outfit, it's not very long lasting on me, or something like a polyester outfit. It's not the most long lasting deodorant. So I have a really good alternative, something that a lot of us already use and really like, a brand that is Nivea Naturally Good Deodorant. This one is the Bio Green Tea variant. This one doesn't smell that similar to the citric variant of the L'Occitane deodorant. This has sort of like a floral sweet smell, but I really like this because this is very long lasting, and no matter like, this would last on me like on a very hot day for about like at least 6 to 8 hours, and I really like this. This is also aluminum free, so in case you wanted to try out, I don't think we have to spend that much on deodorants, because it's something that you might use on a daily basis, maybe something that you would reapply throughout the day, and you might run out of it a little bit faster. So I feel like affordability is where I would stand at, especially with all of these products, and I love this, and I feel like it's a really good alternative. You can also try out the Kamesi deodorant. Let me get that 1 second. So this is the Kamesi natural deodorant. This one is in the citrus C variant. So this, I feel like, is maybe a little close to the L'Occitane in terms of the smell, but not quite, because that one has a very artificial citric scent, and this one is very mild. So this one is a very mild deodorant, and again doesn't last on me for more than like 2.5 hours if I were to wear sleeveless, or if it was a long sweaty day, hot day. It's not a very long lasting deodorant on me, but like if I was indoors mostly and it's not very hot, I was using this one. So even this is an aluminum free deodorant. It's a really affordable deodorant, so you could try this out as well. This one is for 249 rupees. So in case you wanted like affordable deodorant alternatives to these products which you always saw and were like, okay, I wanted to buy that, maybe you can try these out. And then we have a very raved after product which is a little bit messy as well. This one is the Kama Ayurveda Nalpamaradi Thailam, and this one is a skin brightening treatment. So this is something that I have used for the longest time, like it is always there in our household, but it's not from this brand. So that's the reason I included this particular product in this video, because this is, you get 50 ml of product, and this is quite pricey. How much was this? Around like 800 something. So I feel like it is a little bit pricey for something that is very easily available in the Indian market. You can try out a lot of different Nalpamaradi Thailam from the Indian market, the Ayurvedic pharmacies. So I will link a couple of ones that I have found in the description box below, which you can find easily on Amazon, and these are the brands that we have used for the longest time in my household and for ages together, and it smells the same, it gives you the same effect. So this one kind of like makes your skin feel a little bit moisturized. It takes off all of that uneven tan on your body, and it is a pre-shower kind of an oil, and it is an oil that stains because it has turmeric in it, and even the brand lets you know that. So be aware to wash it really well, or maybe like avoid wearing white clothes immediately after, and maybe even white sheets could stain, but it does really remove all of that uneven tan, adds a subtle glow to your skin. So I do use that on my face as well as my body right before I shower, and I really like it. So the ones that I mentioned could be a really good affordable alternative. You don't really have to spend this much on this particular product. And then next up we have a lip balm. This one is from the brand called RAS Luxury Oil. This one is their Lush Lips Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Mask. So this, the moment I got it, I was like, okay, this reminds me of another lip balm. I want to see if you guys can remember which lip balm this is. This is also from an Indian brand lip balm that I'm going to be mentioning. So initially this feels really nice and hydrating on my lips. This happens to me with so many different lip balms, okay? It feels very nice and hydrating, but like after some time it just strips of all of that moisture and leaves my dry lips looking even more dry and flaky. So if you don't really have dry lips and flaky lips, you would really like this. I mean, if you don't really have very dry lips and flaky lips, you would really like this. But if you have like insane amount of dryness and you are looking for hydration in general, you would not like this. And so is the alternative as well. The alternative that I'm going to be mentioning is from Juicy Chemistry. This one is their Blood Orange and Rose Hip Organic Lip Balm. I feel like the consistency and everything is so similar, so super similar. So this is again a hydrating lip balm for people who don't really have a lot of flakiness and dryness on their lips. Like, it's not hydrating for me at all. Like, on days where my lips are not feeling very dry, maybe I could pull this one off, but right now where it's feeling a little bit dehydrated, flaky, chapped, I can't with these products. But this is a really good alternative to that particular product. So if you are looking at trying that out, maybe you could try this one. I got that because a lot of people were raving about it, but yeah, not for someone like me. And then we also have another lip balm product alternative from the same brand, by the way. Where is that? So the next product I'm going to be talking about is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. So this one, a lot of people really like. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. If I have dryness on my lips, I feel like initially it's all nice and then it just vanishes from my lips and it feels really dry. So I got another product from the same brand just to try it out and see if that works for me. So this one is a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and so this one is in the green variant that I got, Pure. And so this is what the lip balm looks like. I love this, and this works for my super dry lips and I really like it. So this is how it is. It's in a squeezy tube. In case you're like, oh, I don't like to put my finger into something, you could try this out. You would like this. I love it, and so far it's working so good for me. I agree that you can't just depend on a lip balm. You need to hydrate yourself. You need to drink a lot of water. Yeah, I do all of that, okay? But sometimes it's just a little bit dry because I do a lot of lipstick swatches and I also wear a lot of lipstick on a daily basis. So maybe that's why. But this lip balm is working for me and I love this one. It's like nice and glowy and juicy looking on the lips, and it's something I use during the daytime, during the nighttime, like a lip mask. Have been loving that. And then another product, which is the Davidoff Cool Water Perfume for Women. This is a very raved after perfume. A lot of people really like this, but this is expensive, and even if you can find it on discount, it's like 10% max. And the scent is amazing and it's very long lasting, but it's also pricey. So if you wanted an affordable alternative, not as much quantity, you can try out the Iba Halal Raindrops perfume. I have talked about this so many times because I want you guys to try this out. This is what this product looks like. It's a rollerball perfume. So yeah, it's not a spritz packaging, but you just need very light amount of this, and it smells exactly like that, like an aquatic sweet perfume, not too sweet, and it just makes you smell fresh, awake, and just, you know, like you're just ready for the day. It just awakens your senses and it just is amazing. So you should definitely try this out. It's a very long lasting perfume. I've got my mom hooked on to this as well. So if you apply this on your fabric, it lasts even after like a wash. Super long lasting. It lasts the entire day. Amazing. So yeah, I agree, you don't really get as much quantity. You get just 10 ml. So it's good that it's not in a spritz kind of a packaging, because you might tend to use a little bit more, maybe waste a little bit, but it is in a roller ball packaging, which I have used this so much, but still look at the amount of usage. So it's a little bit more controlled, the amount of usage, but it smells good and you smell good throughout the day. And then another alternative to the Garnier Micellar water, which is not very expensive, but yeah, or the Bioderma Micellar water, my recent discovery, I have been loving it, mentioned it in my previous video as well, is the Plum Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this, you guys. It is amazing. It's very gentle on the skin. It's very mild, but it takes off all of that makeup. It doesn't strip your skin off. It doesn't make it feel dry and allergic. Not that the other micellar water does that, but in case some of you are feeling like the Bioderma Micellar water is a little bit too mild for you, or the Garnier Micellar water is a little bit too harsh on your skin, maybe try this out. It's really good. It's from an Indian brand. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those were all the products I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I just want to talk to you guys about alternatives to products that you can use on a daily basis. Maybe save a little bit of money or try similar products in case the other products were out of your budget and you can't keep repurchasing it at that price tag. So I just hope this video helped you. So let me know what are such kind of alternative products that you have that you want to let me know about in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.